First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 5 on the topic box arrangement, so now we are going to solve set number 4. So don't forget to watch before watching this video. So don't forget to watch all my previous sets starting from lesson number 1, that is introduction, and then previously we have solved a 3 set of box arrangement puzzle. So if you watch all those videos, then definitely you know how to solve the question. So you have to draw the possible diagram and then you have to eliminate the possible diagram, so according to the given points. So if you don't have time to watch the videos now, get my offline pen drive, and where you can able to watch all my YouTube videos what I have posted on my YouTube channel at offline on your system itself without any ads or without any disturbance. You can completely learn by getting this pen drive. If you want any details regarding it, WhatsApp us, we will tell you all the details. So now let me move on to set number 4 arrangement. So 11 boxes A to K are kept one above the other. So today how many boxes are there? 11 boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. So totally there are 11 boxes and each box is kept one above the other. Okay. So if required, we can draw the other possible diagrams. So first point, box G is kept fifth from the top, right? So from the top, right, the box G is kept at the fifth position. So from the top, so first position, second, third, fourth and the fifth. So this will be the fifth position where box G is kept. Understood or not, right? So first position, second position, third position, fourth position and the fifth position. So from the top where the box G is kept at the fifth position. Some students will make a mistake. They will write box G here. They think that above box G there are 5 positions. No, not like that. Read the point carefully. What they have said is box G is kept at the fifth position from the top. Right? It's kept at the fifth position. So first position will be the topmost position. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So fifth position will be G. Right? Not to make a mistake here. So next point, 2 boxes are kept between G and H. So between G and H there is gap of 2 boxes. So 1 and 2. So this can be H, one possible, yes or no, right? Or else there is another possible that we can keep 1, 2, this will be H. Understood or not? So in both the possible diagram, you can able to see between G and H, there are gap of 2 boxes. So next point is box D is kept just above box H. So just above, it's like immediately above, right? So immediately above H will be box D. Immediately above H will be box D. So next point, there are as many boxes above box D as below box B. So just read the point carefully. There are as many boxes above box D as below box B. So the meaning here is how many boxes are above box D? None of the box, because box D is at the topmost position. So above box D there is no boxes. So similarly below box B also there should not be any box. So definitely we should say that box B will be at the bottommost position. When we move on to this diagram, above box D, how many boxes are there? Above box D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 boxes are there above box D. So now below box B also it should be 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to fix B here, but it is not possible. Why? Because already we have fixed G. So friends, understood or not what the point exactly they are saying? There are as many boxes above D as below B. Right? How many boxes are there in above D should also be in the below B. Right? So above D in this first possible diagram there is no boxes. So below B there should not be any box. So only we can fix B at the bottommost box. Right? So in the second possible diagram, above D there are totally 6 boxes. So below B there should be total of 6 boxes. Only if I fix B here, below B will be 6 boxes. But here already G. So this possible diagram is completely eliminated. So we have only this possible diagram. So next point, 5 boxes are kept between F and K. So between F and K there is a gap of 5 boxes which is kept at one of the position below G. So where the box K is kept below G, right? So box K is kept below G, but one of the position, we don't know what position the K is. Okay, so let me move on to the next point. Box A is kept at one of the position above box F. Just see, above box F, one of the position is box A. So I think if I fix, for example, if not above, right, not immediately above, it's above, right, only one box is kept between box A is kept one of the position above F. Okay, so which is in the position box A is kept one of the position above F. So one of the position above F, so if I fix F here, we can't able to fix A. So definitely this should be F and this should be A, because one of the position above F, and then we know that between F and K there should be gap of 5 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be K. Got it? So box A is kept at one of the position above A. Okay, so next point, only one box is kept between box G and box C. So only one box is kept between box G and C. So box I is kept above box E. So above box E is I. So if I fix E here, this can be I. If I fix E here, this can be I. So next point. So box E is not kept immediately above C or below C. So just see here, the box E is not kept immediately above C as well as below C. So definitely we can say that E should be placed here, I should be placed here, and what is the remaining letters that we have is A, B, J is remaining, right? So D, H, A, F, G, I, C, J, E, K, B, S. So this will be the answer for set number 4. It's very easy, right? It's not a very difficult type of box arrangement. It's easy, but initially we have to go with 2 possible diagrams, and then at the third point itself we got eliminated, one possible diagram got eliminated. So only one possible diagram we have, and all the remaining points after that is a direct statement. So we can fix just like that. Got it? So that's it, friends. Always easy, right? No difficulties here, but one thing you need to remember is draw with the possible diagram, so that all the arrangement seems to be easy. So thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. So if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.